No, it's not.
Lasagna.
It's definitely not that.
Lasagna International Circuit.
Lasagna.
Dude, I really want some more lasagna. That shit I had the other night was good. Hey, put it in gear. Put it in gear. Oh, I short shifted, damn it. At least we got a nice wide track. Whoa. I don't know how I didn't get collected in that
Everyone
one.
crashed.
Holy moly. No. Who went down?
I went down.
I got hit. I barely escaped that.
Okay, people are being
Sorry, Bob.
fucking crazy.
I was on Facebook, yeah!
Hey, you know, whoa!
I'm on
Yo,
again.
what the fuck? Jesus!
What the fuck is that?
Now I'm racing back here with you retards.
Don't worry, I'll be back there soon.
You're doing the exact same thing.
Sorry, that was one of my other parrots.
Wait, what? He sounds just like Hector.
That was one of my parrots.
Fuck.
Oh shit!
Justin,
What are you guys doing out there?
you keep cutting me off.
I'm pretty sure you said you're taking me out. Oh yeah, that sounded better.
And trust Hector, he knows a couple people off the side.
Yeah, he's really good at that. Who's in ninth? Kelso. Don't go in the fucking. What am I doing?
You're letting the whole world know how bad you suck.
Oh yeah, I'm doing bad this one.
Facebook.
Oh boy.
Grass pass.
Oh, mother. Oh, Jesus.
Man.
But I don't know if that was my fault. I don't know.
I'm not even sure what just happened.
But if it was, I'm
Hey,
sorry.
Glenn, that's up front, nowhere near where we're at.
I'm not even sure what happened. All I know is I was sliding on the pavement.
Kelso, did you just pull over and let me take that spot?
Oh, he's got the headphones turned off so he can focus.
Oh. He's probably thirsty. Yeah, really. Last lap of a 3-lap race is when the time starts stubbing so no one runs.
Shit.
Get back here, Will.
Nah,
He's acknowledging his guilt.
I dive bomb you, not even dive bomb you, I blocked past you once, and I'm a dirty rider. You brake and cut me off 3 times, and I'm still the dirty rider.
dirty, dirty.
What, I went off by a foot?
Whoa, hey now.
Oh. Yeah, because I went off by like a foot.
I wasn't ignoring you, it just wasn't working. Bob, I did not pull over to let you by. That was me going a whole brake marker too deep.
Yeah, I saw that.
Doesn't matter in 7th place. I don't know that he's in the photo.
All right. Mr. Hines 57 on pole.
He's probably going to try to spend the whole race there.
No, I'm gonna try to stay out front, not on the pole position. Yeah,
Fuck, gear! I didn't put it in gear.
You are just fucking up.
This is not a profound good night for points. And nobody crashes in the first corner this time? I fucked up at the start and nobody wants to fall down for me. It's fucked.
that you, Blaze?
Yep.
God damn. Are you serious? I swear to Christ.
Watch it, Blaze.
Trying to get back
Balls,
on
I'm
speed
gonna
here.
move you.
See that pink helmet coming?
I'm gonna move
Oh,
you.
God.
Oh,
No, you're good, you're good.
Not like CJ's moving me right now. Track doesn't even go that way. Where are you going?
I'm jerking off all the time. Calm down.
Fucking ring too late.
Who is so excited right now?
Put the pressure on, Justin.
Oh, that was not my brake marker.
God damn it!
Yeah, there's a turn there, CJ.
Hey, I'm using your method, bro.
Uh-huh.
I don't like no qualifying. Just gonna say that.
Duly noted.
Well, the only way to pass people is to fucking destroy them. And since I'm trying not to destroy people, I just end up.
So everyone's being a
scud.
Scud missile.
No, I was trying to make the pass.
Holy
Giant dick man, huh?
Try not to cut back on you, Justin, in case you were close. Fuck that one up.
Terrible line.
It would have been good if you didn't hit it.
No, it would have been a shit line either way.
Jesus Christ.
Goddamn motorcycle on the track.
You're gonna leave the door open.
That you bumped the
Is that
shit out of
ball?
me. No, I didn't have. That was not my fault at all.
Thank you.
Oh, don't do it! Fuck, man.
Balls, I'm sorry, I can't finish in 9th place. It's nothing personal.
I'm gonna make you earn it.
Now I've fucking
Okay.
lost focus.
Crash his ass. Crash him, Glenn.
He was making me earn it. He didn't pull over or anything.
Ah, damn it. No, motherfucker.
Nice line.
Yeah, that's right. That's a penalty on that. That was a good race there.
Oh, shit! Dude,
Please don't record that. Good race.
Yeah, that was good.
I wouldn't know, I wasn't part of it.
Too soon.
A nice lap.
How did he get faster last time than me?
Is that your last lap?
Wait, I ran. Wait.